Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our math class. All right, so last time we already started to discuss division, right? So now let's continue with division. Okay, everybody, I want you to get your book and open on page. Let me check what page is it. Hold on. Let me share the page for you. All right, so everyone open your book on this page. I don't know what page is it. Alpha, this page, do you know? Example.
Hey, 70.
Okay, open your math textbook on page number 70. Example number 4. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, class, I want you to listen now. All right, so we have example number 4, A, B, and C. Okay, so we will start with letter A. So for letter A, divide 21,486 by 6. All right, so here's the solution, class. Hold on. All right, so step number 1, divide the thousands by 6. So first is we have to divide the thousands or the number in thousands place, okay, which is 21,000. So 6, the first step is we have to divide, right? 6 by 21. So 6 divide or 21 divide 6, that's 3. Okay, and then all we have to do is to multiply 3 by 6. So 3 multiplied by 6, that's 18. So we put 18 over here. Okay, and after that, we will do subtraction. So 18 minus 21, that's 3. All right, so that's the first step. Now let's proceed to the second step. Step number 2. Divide the hundreds by 6. So the hundreds place is this one, number 4, right? So since we have the 3 as the remainder earlier, we will bring down 4. So we have 34. All right. Now we will divide 34 by 6. So that's 5. And then if we will multiply 5 by 6, that's going to be 30. Okay, here, 30. And now we will do subtraction. 30 minus 34, that's 4. So the remainder now is 4. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next step. Step number 3. So in step number 3, class, we already divided the thousands and the hundreds, right? So now we will divide the number in tens place. So we have the 4 earlier as the remainder. So what we're going to do is we will just bring down number 8. So we have 48. Now we will divide 48 by 6. So we have 8. And after that, we will multiply 8 by 6. So that's 48. So we will subtract 48 minus 48, that's 0. Okay, now fourth step, number 4, step number 4, divide the ones by 6. So the number in ones place is number 6, right? So earlier we have 48, and then we bring down 6, and then now we will divide 6 by 6. So that's 1. And then 1 multiplied by 6, that's 6. And then 6 minus 6, that's 0. So 21,486 divided by 6, that's 3,581. So for us to check if our answer is correct, then we have to multiply 3,581 multiplied by 6. Okay, for us to check if our answer is correct. So 6 multiplied by 1, that's 6. Okay. And then 6 multiplied by 8, that's 48. And then carry 4 over here. 6 multiplied by 5, that's 30. Plus 4, that's 34. And then carry 3 over here. And then 6 multiplied by 3, that's 18. Plus 3, 21. All right, so our answer, class, is correct because we've got the number that was divided by 6. Okay, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so the first step is we should divide, and then after divide, multiply. After multiply, subtract. Okay. All right, now let's proceed to example. Hold on, let me check. All right, now here for letter B, example, we're still in example number 4, okay? Letter B, divide the 10,000s by 5. So as usual, we have to divide first the number in 10,000s place. So which is 4 and 6, okay? So 46 divide 5, that's 9. And then 9 multiplied by 5, that's 45, okay? And then subtract 45 from 46. That's 1. 1 is the remainder. Second step, step number 2, bring down 5 and then multiply 15 by 3. That's 3, right? And then 3 times 5, that's 15. Okay, now step number 3, divide the number in hundreds place. Since 15 minus 15 is 0, so all we have to do is to bring down 7. So 7 divided by 5, that's 1. 1 multiplied by 5, that's 5. And then 5 subtract 7, or 5 minus 7, that's 2. So the new remainder now is number 2. Now let's proceed to step number 4. For step number 4, divide the tens by 5. All right, so since we have 2 as the remainder earlier, so all we have to do is to bring down 8, okay? So we bring down 8 over here. Now we will divide 28 by 5. So 28 divided 5, that's 5. And 5 multiplied by 5, that's 25, okay? So now we will subtract 5 from 8. So 5 minus 8, that's 3. So the new remainder now is 3. And then step number 5, the last step. So since we have the remainder 3 earlier, we will now bring down 3 from here to here. So now we will divide 33 by 5, and that is 6. And then 6 multiplied by 5, that's 30 here. And then 30 subtract 33, that's 3. So the remainder now is 3. So 465,783 divided 5 is equals to 93,156 plus the remainder 3. Okay, now for us to check if our answer is correct, then we have to multiply 93,156. Okay, multiply by 5. Okay, now 5 multiplied by 6, that's 30. And then carry 3 over here. 5 times 5, that's 25, plus 3, 28. So carry 2 over here. And then 5 multiplied by 1, that's 5, plus 2, 7. And then 5 multiplied by 3, that's 15. Okay, we write 5 over here and then carry 1. And then 5 multiplied by 9, that's 45. Plus 1, 46. Remember, we still have the remainder 3. Okay, so all we have to do is to add the remainder. Plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3, that's 3. And then bring down the rest of the number, which is 4, 6, 5, 7, and 8. So class, that means our answer is correct. 465,783. You see? So the answer for this problem is this one. 93,156, and then the remainder 3. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Pete, Kunchai, Nulek, Gam, Spy, Ter, Boom, Kwangkong.
Yes, I do.
Yes,
Okay.
I do. Yes.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, now let's proceed to letter C. This one. So in letter C class, divide 9,729,850 divided by 8. So same thing, we will just divide and then subtract and then minus, but we will divide first the number in millions place, okay, which is 9. Okay, so 8 or 9 divide 8, that's 1. And then 1 multiplied by 8, that's 8. 8 minus 9, that's 1. And then bring down 7. Now 17 divided by 8, that's 2. And then 2 multiplied by 8, that's 16. And 16 minus 17, 17 minus 16, that's 1. Okay, and then bring down 2. So we have 12. And 12 divide by 8, that's 1. Okay, 1. And then 1 multiplied by 8, that's 8. And then 12 minus 8, that's 4. Bring down 9. So 49 divided by 8, that's 6. And then 6 multiplied by 8, that's 48. So 49 minus 48, that's 1. And then we bring down 8. So we have 18. 18 divide 8, that's 2. 2 multiplied by 8, that's 16. 18 minus 16 equals 2. Bring down 5. 25 divide 8, that's 3. And then 3 multiplied by 8, that's 24. 25 minus 24 is equals to 1. Bring down a 0. So 10 divided by 8, that's 1. 1 multiplied by 8, that's 8. And 10 minus 8, that's 2. So the answer for this problem is 1,216,231 plus the remainder 2. All right. So let's check if our answer is correct. So we have 1,216,631 multiplied by 8. All right, so 8 minus 1, that's, 8 times 1, that's 8. 8 times 3, that's 24. And carry 2 over here. 8 minus, 8 multiply. 8 multiply or 8 times 6, that's 48. Plus 2, that's 50. And then carry 5 here. And then we have 8 times 6, that's 48. Plus 5, 53. So this one is 3, okay, 3. And carry 5 here. 8 times 1, that's 8. Plus 3, that's 11. Carry 1. 8 times 2, that's 16. Plus 1, 17. Carry 1 over here. 8 multiplied by 1, that's 8. Plus 1, that's 9. Remember, we still have the remainder 2. So we will just add 2 here. So 8 plus 2, that's 10. Carry 1 here, 5. Oh, hold on. I think I made a mistake here. $48. I think I made a mistake here, class. 8 multiplied by 6.
48.
48 here. 48. Plus 2.
15.
Okay, hold on. I think I made a mistake here, class. Just give me 1 second. Let's do it one more time now. Hold on. I think I made a mistake. So that's, hold on. So that's 1,216,300 and, oh, no, it's 200. Hold on. That's 231. Multiply by 8. Okay. I'm sorry, I made a mistake earlier. So 8 Multiply by 1, that's 8. 8 multiplied by 3, that's 24. And then 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Plus 2, 18. Then carry 1 here. 8 multiplied by 6, that's 48. Plus 1, 49. 8 and then carry 2 here. No, carry 4. So 8 multiplied by 1, that's 8 plus 4, that's 12. Carry 1. 8 multiplied by 2, that's 16 plus 1, 17. And 8 multiplied by 1, that's 8. Now we will add the remainder, which is 2. Okay. So 8 plus 2. Carry 1 here, I'm sorry. That's 9. All right, so 8 plus 2, that's 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, that's 5. And then just bring down the remaining numbers here, which is 9, 7, 2, 9, and 8. So that means our answer is correct. So 9,729,850 divided by 8 is equals to 1,216,231, and the remainder 2. Okay. All right, so class, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good, kids. Now let's try to answer this one. Let's try to answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to answer this one from number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Teacher number.
I don't know. Alpha, what page number this is?
74.
Okay, 74, Kunchai. Open your textbook on page number 74. Answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Class, let me know if you're done, okay? Just say, teacher, I'm done. I'm gonna check your attendance, okay? I will call your name, just say, teacher, I'm here, or teacher present. Just give me 1 second. All right, I will call your name, class Nulek.
I'm here.
Okay. Boom.
I'm here.
Ter.
I'm here.
Yada. Yada. Quang Tung. Cao Hom.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Yada. Quang Tung.
I'm here.
Spy.
I'm here.
Gam. Kunchai.
I'm here.
Tit.
I'm here.
Alpha.
I'm here.
Okay, so today 2 students are absent. Yada and Gam. Gam, are you there?
Teacher, I'm gone.
Very good, Alpha. Good job.
Teacher, I'm gone.
Very good, Spy. Three minutes, class. 3 minutes left. Two minutes. 2 minutes left. Okay, time is up. Only Spy and Alpha. What about the other students? All right, anyway, it's okay. We will answer your work, okay? So for number one, we have divide 28,000 by 40. Who would like to answer?
Teacher me. Teacher
Okay,
me.
Spy. Okay, let's do it. Spy first. Divide 28,000 by 40. What is the answer?
700.
Very good. So the answer for number one is 700, 700. Okay, kindly check your work, kindly check your book class if it's correct. All right, number two. For number two, we have 5,400,000 divided by 60. What's the answer?
Teacher me.
Okay, Alpha.
9,000.
Very good. So the answer for number two is 9,000. All right, number three, divide 32,745 by 5.
Teacher me.
Okay, Spy, what's the answer?
6,549.
6,549. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 6,549. Very good, Spy. Class, what about the other students? Pete, Boom, Kunchai, Nulik. Okay, I'm gonna call one student, okay? Number 4, Pete. Find the quotient and remainder when 532,127 is divided by 4. Again, find the quotient and remainder when 532,127 is divided by 4. Pete, what's your answer?
9,000.
Again,
9,000.
number 4, 9,000, it's wrong.
Teacher me.
What about Boom? Number 4, find the quotient and remainder when 532,127 is divided by 4. Okay, do you want to help Alpha? Do you want to help Boom?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the answer for number 4?
30. 13,331.
Again, 13,300 law, 13,331. Yes or no?
Yeah. Uh, uh, 3.
Remainder 3. Are you sure? 13,
Yes.
13,331. The answer is wrong. Anyone? Spy, do you have answer for number 4?
No.
Alpha, your remainder is correct. This one is correct. But this one, you have to change it. This one is wrong. What about Ter? Oh, Ter is gone. Go home. Okay, Alpha, do you have the final answer?
133,031 or 75.
R75 law.
3.
It's 3. Okay. So your answer is 133,031, remainder 3. Are you sure? Is this the final answer?
I'm not sure.
You have to be sure because the answer is correct. Good job, Alpha. So the answer for number 4 is 133,031 and then the remainder 3. All right, number 5. Find the quotient and remainder when 6,654,240 is divided by 7. Pete, what's your answer?
4 million.
4 million, Lo.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
4 million is no. Okay, I will
Teacher
give.
me.
Okay, Alpha, what's your answer for number 5?
9,565 are 5.
Again, one more time, please.
9,565
9,565, Law.
are
Answer
5.
is wrong.
Teacher, are 5.
R5?
Yes.
R5 is correct, okay? But this one is wrong. Your remainder is correct, which is 5. But this one is wrong.
Teacher me.
Okay, Spy?
9,561 are
Again. 9,000 Law or 950,000? Is it 9,000 or 950,000?
950.
950,000. Okay, and then what's the next number?
6.
6 alay.
61.
61 law.
Yes.
950,061. Correct?
Yes.
This one is wrong.
Teacher, me.
Okay, Alpha.
950,605. Five.
R5. Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Well, you have to be sure because the answer is correct. Good job, Alpha. All right, so the answer for number 5 class is 950,605, and then the remainder 5. Okay, that's all for division. I will give you a homework, okay? Hold on. Let me just go ahead and pull up the workbook. One moment. Okay, so your homework is to answer 5.2 dividing up to 10 million, okay? So there are, hold on, let me check. So we have number one,
Teacher,
number 2, number 3, and number 4.
teacher. Page
I'm sorry.
54.
This one is finished. Here, I'm sorry. Number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay? Because we already answered number 1, right? So answer your math workbook on this page. What page number this is? Alpha, what page number is this? This one.
55.
Okay, so 55, there are 3 numbers, right? For number 2, we have A, B, C, and D. For number 3, yeah, we also have A, B, C, and D. And for number 4, we also have A, B, C, and D. And tomorrow we will check your homework. Okay? All right, so I think that's all for today, class. Thank you, students.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
I'm gonna assign this to your Google account. Google Classroom account, okay? Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
ลืมไปฟังเพลง Baby Shark ด้วย
Baby.
Baby Shark.